Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. The dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Coming on back. GLC 300. 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for the radio and media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel for the infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 54,318 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.